Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is signed and sealed by Ezeudo State.
Yes, sir.
Can you see it, our landlord? All the Yorubas and all the other people, have you seen the certificate of Ezeudo in the Adodo Kingdom?
Yes, sir.
But the choir confined on me, I want to present it to him as the president of NWANKWO State. Please. That is the normal thing, that is the constitutional. We cannot grant ASA here without certificate. And that's what they sent me to come and do as the president of NWANKWO State. I therefore present this certificate on today, the 16th of October, 2022. December, I mean to say. December. 16th of December, 2022. 16th of December, 2022. 16th of December, 2022. Of one hand. I think you can hear me. So, Ezeudo, I'm presenting a certificate and I hand on NWANKWO. I know you could not get a man. I think I'm